In this video, I'm going to share with you how to add an online store to your site using WebStarts. Log into your WebStarts account or sign up and create one to follow along by visiting webstarts.com. After logging in, select the site where you'd like to add the store to. Click the store panel on the dashboard to activate it. Enter a name, description, tag, upload photos of your products, and give it a price. Enable shipping and enter the shipping weight. Click Create and your product will be available in your store. Select the Settings tab to name your store and assign a payment processor. Set custom shipping and tax rules. Manage your customers and orders. Create and manage products categories. Run reports and even create discount coupons. Let's go to the editor and see how to edit your store's appearance. Click Edit Site to open the editor, and then select the store page from the drop-down. Select the store widget and the setting icon to customize it. You can do the same with all the store pages. Enabling the store bar provides quick links to your store login, cart, and checkout. Of course, your store looks great on both desktop and your phone. This is only a quick introduction to the WebStarts store app. Be sure to watch the rest of my videos on how to create an online store. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.